Dear students, how are you? Welcome in 11th class. Today our chapter is Portrait of Lady. We are having two books in 11th class. One is Hornbill and second one is Snapshot. So, first chapter is The Portrait of Lady, that is written by Khushwant Singh. Whenever we are starting any chapter, we must know how many characters are there. Writer Khushwant Singh himself was there, his father, mother, grandfather and grandmother. Basically this story revolves around Khushwant Singh and his grandmother. At the starting they were in the village. Both grandmother and grandson were staying there. The grandmother used to ready him for school and tell him scriptures. The school was attached to the temple. When Khushwant Singh used to study alphabet, sitting in veranda in the school, his grandmother used to be the temple reading scriptures. After that they have gone to the city. In city, normally everything used to change. How the working styles, how they prepare them. That time Khushwant Singh used to go to the English school. And in the city, grandmother used to do three works: spinning wheels, चरखा काटती थी, telling the beads, rosary, अपने मनके की मालाएं जो है गिनती थी, and feeding the sparrows, और उस sparrows को खाना खिलाती थी, चिड़िया को खाना खिलाती थी. But in village, when they used to come back from the school, they used to throw stale chapatis for the dogs. But in city, because they used to live inside their houses, so grandmother used to feed sparrows. But here grandmother was not happy, because in English school there was no teaching of scriptures and religion. And when she came to know that music used to teach them, she was very upset, because at that moment music was not known as a good job, you can say, good work. But nowadays everything is changed. After that, writer Khushwant Singh had gone to foreign for study. His grandmother was very old. He was thinking that when he will come back, sometimes grandmother will not be there. But for his surprise, grandmother was there. She has gone to the railway station to receive his grandson, and after that she start singing religious songs with the old ladies of that particular area, and become sick. Finally she got dead. But when sparrows came there and sparrows came to know that she is no more, they came and sat down around the dead body of the grandmother, and even did not touch bread's crumbs falling there by the person of that house. So we can say कि खुशवंत सिंह ने जो अपना एक वर्णन किया है सिटी की लाइफ के बारे में और विलेज की लाइफ के बारे में, दोनों में कितना डिफरेंस है, हाउ मच डिफरेंस इज देयर. They used to be very together in the village, but in city, when he used to go to the English school, and after that in universities, colleges, and then after that to foreign, she was not near to his grandmother. Here basically the story tells the circumstances of the village life and the city life. There is too much change, but in fact with this the writer want to tell that how sparrows behave when grandmother died. इस कहानी के माध्यम से आप बच्चों को ये शिक्षा दी जा रही है कि हमें जो है बड़े ही अच्छे ढंग से कार्य करना चाहिए और कल्चर को समझना चाहिए, और जिस तरह की कल्चर, जिस तरह की संस्कृति में, जिस तरह के वातावरण में हम रह रहे हैं, अपने आप को उसी वातावरण में हमें जो है शामिल कर लेना चाहिए और ढंग से रहना चाहिए. आशा करता हूँ कि चैप्टर जो है आपकी समझ में आ गया होगा. और इस चैप्टर के माध्यम से ही जो है आपको जो रिटर्न मटेरियल भेजा जाएगा, आप जो है इसको ध्यान से सुने। उसके बाद जो आपको रिटर्न मटेरियल भेजा जा रहा है अपनी कॉपी में लिखें, लर्न करें। आशा करता हूँ कि आप बहुत अच्छे से काम कर रहे होंगे। धन्यवाद।